Hey gang, recently I attended the Aki Matsuri Japanese Fall Festival in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The Fall Festival is the main annual event for the New Mexico Japanese American Citizen League and serves as a venue to share Japanese and Japanese American culture with all of New Mexico. My friend Victor was invited to hold a booth there to represent his restaurant, Japanese Kitchen Steakhouse, TAEPPANYAKI and SUSHI. This is the third year Japanese Kitchen has been represented at the Aki Matsuri. This year, Japanese Kitchen offered a halo-halo dessert. Although a Filipino dish, the origin comes from Japan. According to Wikipedia, the origin of halo-halo is traced to the pre-war Japanese Filipinos and the Japanese Kagori class of dessert. The Japanese version, they use the shave ice, red azuki beans, and milk in their dessert. The Filipinos added local fruits and toppings, creating their own version of a wonderful dessert. It was a hit, and if you're out next year, look out for this ice-cold dessert as it sold out this year, and it totally was refreshing and tasty. Oh yeah, if you want to taste the best Japanese cuisine and sushi in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and you're in town, stop by my buddy Vic's restaurant, the Japanese Kitchen Steakhouse, TAEPPANYAKI and SUSHI. It's located at 6521 American Parkway, Albuquerque, New Mexico. You can also make reservations at 505-884-8937. They're open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and book your holiday reservations. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. This is Steve with Power Work Adventures. When you power work, finish work, you go look for another adventure. Go check them out, the Aki Matsuri Fall Festival next year and the TAEPPANYAKI restaurant. Alright, thanks to all my subscribers for keep following me, and if you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. More content to follow. Peace. Mahalo.